Now that your roof panels have been pre-drilled, it's time to install them along your roof. First, you'll need to identify the panels that are supposed to be installed for the roof surface you're working on. Refer to the sheet metal trim package list located in your ship list. This page will indicate what panels and lengths are to be used at each surface of your building. Worldwide Steel typically bundles panels together for each surface when you're building, but it's a good idea to verify you have the correct panels before pre-drilling and installing. Worldwide Steel's typical roof panel has a total of 5 high ribs and 8 smaller intermediate ribs. The high ribs are spaced 9 inches apart. The panel is designed to lap and has a 36-inch coverage. This is the dimension from the center of the first high rib to the center of the last high rib. One side of your panel is referred to as the overlap edge, which is the side shown here. The other side is referred to as the side lap edge, shown here. When installing your roof panels, you may start from either the left or the right side of your building, working your way along the distance of your roof surface. In our example, we're starting from the left side and working to the right. Therefore, the overlap edge of our panels will be positioned on the left side when stack drilling. If you elect to install from right to left, then your overlap edge will be positioned on the right side. Worldwide Steel recommends installing foam closure strips along your eave trim to seal out moisture and pests. When you install your inside foam closure strips, make sure it is aligned with your planned panel layout so that the high rib of the foam strip nests inside the high rib of your panel. Place your first roof panel into position, ensuring that the left edge of your panel lines up with the outside edge of your building. If you pre-drilled your panels correctly, then your holes should line up perfectly with your purlins. If your building has a standard eave as shown here, then your roof panels will require a 2-inch overlap from the eave trim. The 2-inch overlap is critical to ensuring your roof panels are running plumb. Each high rib along the outside edge of the panel should be checked prior to screwing into place. Panels may need to be manipulated in order to continue to run plumb. This step should be done at every panel to ensure a clean look. If your building has step flashing, then please reference the roof panel installation with step flashing video for detailed instructions. Check to ensure that your panel is plumb before securing with painted sheet metal screws along the bottom row, through the eave trim, and into the purlin. Follow with the top row, and finally, the lap seam rows as demonstrated here. When placing your second panel, overlap with the first panel and measure your overhang to ensure it is plumb before securing with screws. When you reach the end of your roof, you may need to trim your final panel so that it ends flush with the edge of your building. Measure the distance, mark your panel, and cut. Place your final panel and secure in place. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.